or a professional technician. Depending on the vehicles you work on, and depending on personal preference, you may utilize different types and different brands of tools. But if there's one thing we all agree on, it's that quality counts. When it comes to the equipment we rely on in our shop, the same holds true, and there's rarely a single day in the life of a technician where your battery charger doesn't put in as many hours as you. These days, there are many more options for chargers because the scope of electrical systems on today's vehicles and the requirements for servicing them is much broader than it used to be. So you need to select the correct charger or chargers for your shop. The charger I have here is the Associated Equipment US20 wheeled charger. I'm going to go over its features and uses, but first, joining me today is Kim Cottle, the President and CEO of Associated Equipment. Kim, thanks for joining me to talk about Associated Equipment, and as technicians, we all know how important quality is, but how does Associated incorporate quality we can count on into their chargers?
Well, we build all of our chargers in St. Louis, Missouri, and all of our chargers are powder-coated steel that we do internally. We silkscreen all of our chargers, and we vacuum impregnate or wind all our transformers in-house. What we provide is a lot of quality products for our technicians, whether it's our entry-level charger like the US20 or our most technologically advanced charger, the IBC.
Quality definitely resonates with technicians. And knowing that we have quality across the board, let's focus on the US20. This is a 6 or 12 volt charger with a 40 amp continuous rating at either voltage, a 200 amp cranking assist, and a full 300 amp manufacturer's boost rating. Kim, what's the difference between the cranking assist rating and the manufacturer's boost rating?
Well, crank assist is typically what we measure and what is a measurable amount that you can really crank the charger at. The manufacturer's boost rating is really the highest output at a dead short. So it's a very short amount of time that you can put that charging profile out. So that's why we talk about crank assist as really being what the true measurement of the charger is.
Okay, so the crank assist, that's real world.
Yes.
That's what we've got available.
Yes.
With those boost ratings, this charger is a powerhouse, and it's why it's part of their heavy-duty line. This charger is built for no frills, get the job done service with a 6, 12, 12 high, and 12 start charge voltages, a timer with a hold setting for continuous charge, and an output amperage meter. These features really speak to those of us who want or need control of what's happening with the charging process. And a charger like this is great for everyday shop use or for home or farm use. For example, if you have multiple vehicles, classic cars, maybe a tractor, and some lawn equipment. It's also great if you're trying to rejuvenate a sulfated battery. By cranking this thing up and keeping a close eye on the gauge, you can see how it responds and control the stages of the process. When you're busy and with this type of use, we all know that at some point you're going to get caught in the rain. Kim, is that going to be a problem?
No, the US20, even though it's our entry-level charger, is a safe in any weather operation charger like all of our wheeled chargers. Not only that, it has a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty and field replaceable parts. Its powder-coated steel enclosure makes it safe and operable, and it won't rust out in the field.
There you have it, the Associated Equipment US20 wheeled charger. For more information and more charger options, visit associatedequip.com. Thanks for watching.